Hello and welcome to week 6, our final week of the session. It is on globalization and health. Our competencies will include analyzing global healthcare problems and offer effective solutions within the constraints of policy, law, regulations, and ethical principles, focusing on the global workforce and healthcare. We'll break that down by describing medical tourism and the rationale for United States consumers crossing national borders for medical services. Do you know anybody who ever has done that? Articulate risks with medical tourism and potential solutions. Explore the globalization of the professional labor market. And analyze aspects of the workforce in a foreign country and one major human resource problem it faces. Readings this week include from our Burns text, Chapter 15 on Globalization and Health, the World in Flattening. So our discussion is to discuss this global medical tourism. Why do people leave the United States to seek health care outside of the borders? Explore the benefits and risks it poses and precautions consumers should consider before traveling to a foreign country for health care. Include in your discussion if there is any healthcare or another industry that employees from outside of the U.S. employed in your current work setting, and if so, how they have adapted. You can use anywhere in the world that you would like to focus your research on for this paper. The paper requires you to research and choose a country other than the United States and examine aspects of their workforce and identify and describe at least one major human resource problem. Include information such as the status of the country's staffing. Is it a shortage or overabundance? Is the country's workforce leaving to work in other countries? Is it because of technology, salary, work environment? What's the impact of workforce mobility and what are the incentives to move? What's the quality of patient care there? Is the patient population local or international? And are there ethical issues to consider? Cultural impact on healthcare for the elderly, like nursing homes, are non-existent in certain countries like Japan, where care of the elderly is the responsibility of the family. How does their economic, regulatory, and political situation impact the workforce and cost of patient care? And conclude with your final analysis and recommendations that may serve to improve that country's healthcare problem. So I say congratulations to all of you. Well done. You've done it. We've made it to week 6 of this session. It's been really great working with you. I hope you learned as much as I did. And I just leave you with this photo of me in my happy place with my granddaughter Iris, who is actually almost 3, so this is a fairly old picture. I look forward to working with you sometime again. Thank you. Bye-bye.